Oye kanowote na seye maame Sedina Tamakloe wabedru krumwa na oba bedru ye no ensem pi no a na ekoso discussions ni pi nti wote se Ghana fo pi no ekasa including the Democrat nsem ye kan utie adwempa na utie yewura mpatwum so a ensem a wono mo ka no eche se there are more concerns a ewase but Maame Sedina Tamakloe ationu dian na waye. In fact, say ye kai maame akoye chia. Between the year 2013 to 2016, Jumedia obedi wa baimu as CEO awada Maslok anono. A lot of issues epiemu efesikasem. Na sa na dwuma okoda no sika ko ho sanse wo mu a sebe ebewa ahuhia mu ebinum be prese sebe wo betumi agina wo mu nanso atre onwumam ebinum be prese wo benya bibia be call ma no sa dwuma ku be bom modern se obeso mo asene entino sa small loans nkitenkite ne ade bia ondi bedi dwuma nti sika ko ho pa na ebe wi ase aba me wi ni dwuma na o mo hwehwe mu no na about 78 counts edani tiri so say 1 wabo maika 2 waria sika 3 oni nipa bia bontri mu po adi o man bone ena afenso wama wo man ahwere ajapade loss of public property. It is a wo hwe mu anchichemu no de yesi waria direct theft no 3.19 million, financial loss to the state enso ye 90 million ena de oni hu kwan se odi o man sika ko hyemu ono ade ko hyemu unauthorized commitments o impose on the government no 61.74 million Ghana cedis enje sika etwa ne yebobo so no abaya japade a ya hwere no ye ka bomu a 22.15 million sanse mi nyina ye ka to ni tiri so se eno enwaye ema asem no court. Jeff, bring me the process. 2019 trial no commence here. You're charging with all these offenses are making. 2021 bra charge no ayede abono no ekosuna na maami yes wo yare. Ti granting the permissions won call for medical treatment e wo United States. Ti bra Facebook. Na be the processes no. Oko United States no wa mabiem. E bra ni case ni sha ase 2019. By 2021 after about 2 years muwa o yes and ho dodo no case ni run na oko US wo kosa no yare aba no when si Ghana habim February 2023 na ban no da bre na do dan kwa akufu ado aban na wo mo wadwa so yes da bi oni ho kra no a ye be di na sem na ye bua enti wo mo try no in absentia ai ko wi ase no in absentia no na chese court di abono on April 2024 say 10-year sentence and then it is so abo make to a tune of 90 million Ghana cedis. July 2024, ebesi January 2025. Ya pre extradition as ye de beba ye betumi e de free US wa ba no wa be face ni wa ba be da 10 years ni mu ane ade a. Enra day ye nyante yes wa bedru Ghana on the 9th of June 2026. Felix Ofosuku achechire se US Department of Justice egusua have bilateral discussions with Eyo Omei se beya wo mu aka wo honso a unim de aka big fish na nkasa ken ofuriata wono be kosoa no ma yese beya wo so ono so ombetumi edena ba ne wo mu aka bi a ewo mu na wo mu so abetumi abefesi mra na maame Sedina edie no. In fact bra Facebook berade maame on the 10th of February 2026 yeah. The ma case we any the 10 years no me gidi ewom kakra se maami betumi awuamu akosi tuo a 10 years no as enhye dan CP, and that is me. My opinion is there is an impending appeal. Jeff Fatu Sumame appeal no Fatu Sumame on the 10th of February 2026 maami no appeal ansakura no obeba juni se 10 years na ye de amano no ene nsem a ye de ato ne so no a court e de abua no ono one court no mu aye no nya adwene e wo the 10 years nti wa appeal ene da ho no on the 10th it wo mo filing on the 12th of February 2026 Registrar of Court of Appeal and da won betumi abehwe first defendant said now Christian Tamakloe only accused or daso na we and the mami who say challenge kakra wo Ghana fo bi nso adwene ye omo ntanta because ni lawyer fo ni bi din komo a e bi kire se maame na beduru de but akwanya wo mrani mu ntokuru ededa mrani mu say na lawyer fo ni ayi betumi apply say bia ye try in absentia no oni wonti am file strong defense inti ye man bail na wontumi enya kwanya and reporting who to court no won free fie nkonko kana asem ne ade a chese wo hwemra ni mu antokuro di dem obetumi adi sa adwuma no ba ni nyina agina judge a obetrem se obetie that case no on appeal no the discretion so obema kwan sa because already ma me said na Tamakloe ye man kwan say omra me defend ne ho ena wa ma biem wansia ene ye de abu asem na wi try in essential enti ba judge betumi adwon aka say okay bia mame money bill ana mame money bill that is to the judge and no nyeye amaga na fo bebre adwene ho say are we really serious say ye be push no mama wo mo a edi o man bone no afesi mrana na it is all right. Justice Sremsrai we deputy attorney general omugina bayanem aban lawyer penia na bedi akire a wo mo na hwe se aban ensem bi a yedie no bedi akire na wo mo ese bubo no abuabo no enra ensentrofo ebopin no in fact Joy News reporter ebopin no oni ni di nkomo a no person ko oni ni di nkomo kwa akire fanse mi ho but me can say was snobby no because on the first instance we be say oh mami mo abra mo ababedru I hope say enije abafie o se de enije ben na aba na de wo obesi aka no de tie no.
I'm not sure about that.
Your office fought a very good fight and now she is here in Ghana. You must be excited about that.
There's excitement.
Bra Facebook bera de bra opie no and the camera say follow no they were ready to ask him questions about me said the name Tamakloe ba wa ba no ne what they are doing. In fact on a normal circumstance yenim said justice Sremsrai osi ekasa grant interviews and now no kra doctor aye ne ka kire ne say onya interviews bebrebe no mo ma mo kasa no nya court ho no bebre I was advising on giving to the media and so still no that so kasa a grantee interviews any idea on some cases are air cost bebre but what prevented him say obe answer way with joy say oh maame na bayani age office na bre. This is what the journalist asked.
This fought a very good fight and now she is here in Ghana. You must be excited about that.
There's excitement. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about the excitement.
So then what's the situation and what does this mean for Ghana?
Also on kasa Juba Facebook be hen insano I said you are insano there be on kasa o se ba wa ba na nije aba krom journalist na bisan say mo office na bre ne maami ya bedru ase anije aba kakra o se anije ben ande hu anije bia aba ene wo kotra ka do bisa say ne sese no ensem atu aso bisa na o se da bi o answer no kotra ne kai mu no. And this video so it created doubts in the minds of Ghanaians bebre because ye wo krom ha ne ye hu nkrofo a ye ma on 15 years etimi ye appeal etimi sako case no so ema 15 years be 8 months emi ye wo mu free prison ye wo krom a and a typical example ya agrada case no ye wo krom ha biasi enti enipa bebre doubt say maami ya file appeal on the 10th of February 2026 appeal ne da so da ho a all hwe so obi piem appeal court akọ challenge ne 10 years na e dia ma no what could happen. And the posture of the deputy attorney general in this interview raised a lot of concerns. Amanfo bisa say could this also be a potential case of 10 years to 5 months or 10 years to 6 months? And now say Obama Mamiya facing the full vigorous of the law. And no hasi. ɛyɛ nsɛm a sesei abɛyɛ doubt because yɛwɔ kurom a ɛna nolly prosecute yɛ adwuma cases bi a na ɛkɔ so cocoa board deɛ Stephen Opuni Sagleme housing Yewra Collins out da mo deɛ a lot of things cases and ɛwɔ hɔ a ewi aseɛ no yɛ file nolly prosecute abaya ni nyi case ni ho biem ɔmpɛ so odi akyire enti ne ɛkɔ yi no Ghana fo bebre adwene mu yɛ ɔmo sɛ dabi adeɛ yi wan hwɛ a na yɛ camouflage enti ɛnɛ we expect say mpanimfoɔ bɛ mi yehu sɛ maame Tamakloe abedru because manfoɔ kura anyi ni so abedru yenya mfonyini bi ana sɛ video bi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ wabedru ampa aside the communication that has come to us and then two Ghanaians the almost hwehwɛ ne sɛ maame be serve the 10-year full sentence no because Maslock sika baby ese konkrofo mo ho akyere wo mo enkrofo ma fa yaw mu enkrofo asade ye siye amomokọ ahokyere mu sika ese ekomo mo to mo omo nsa kan ni dwumadie nti wo bo man ka ene maslo kra se gusu riaria yentimi hu ye ho ano ewo mu no Ghana for expect say maami will face na sotwe ne se de etie without any interference from say na ban na wosuntia mate say omo keka mra ni na presidential pardon ena de ekoi de wan hwe na mampani abeka say ye huni mobo ebi nso kra grounds etimi wo mu ne say ebetumi abase o yese ne yare ebi nti yenyini mpie na yakoyi na pie because Ghana for doubt mami na ban na what power nti no bibia betumi asi they doubt but it's to the NDC government to ensure say almost set a bad precedent a dangerous precedent say obia ya try in absentia ya sentencing to a 10-year imprisonment no and a prison sentence no on some pie just keke within a short time because the trust that Ghanaians have for the NDC is over fighting corruption. Me say when that happens, a better from say true negative thing kra e be kodachi atra zero no. And so make sure this woman the sentence no be face. Ya be hwene yakofem na ya pi na ya yi na say ya Ghana de see ati ha ni. You're making sure because this woman's action has cost a lot. Apart from say the state, individuals are also benefited from Masloka. Woma call him because of the actions of this woman. And you're too much, and we can't allow this to continue. I see who says sa woman and mami abeyan hweso wa so twemu e de ama afoforo mo so dan nwuma no. Say what buying bakura wo ho. That is what we need to see. What by background where the bonnet said they are better. And Ghana for any media but we are waiting still. Aban we catch them say we are waiting for the big fish. Musumuguso Keno Furiata dienoso ye train. It's very, very important. If the state, the Attorney General feels were evidence or acted decisively in 10 to secure a conviction on Keno Furiata. Says tradition no na ye bibi e wo ho a na ye bibi e wo ho a me say the US embassy at the statement be to one more X page na je fatu wo man na ye nhwa de o say justice has no borders. The United States has extradited Sedina Tamakloe Ationu to Ghana. Now o say following her conviction on 70+ corruption-related charges, including embezzling more than $6 million equivalent in Ghanaian taxpayer funds. Actually, say, the America, baby, I'm saying, so see, following her conviction, it is a convicting Nipana, a strong defense for Nipana extradition. Say ye dina asem ne ebua ne fo na oman no US ni hu say ye dina asem kura ma Ghana mra nyina mu no edi adanse ye se nipa de difo a eya na America e jai nipa na ma na ba Ghana ne enye den sa Se wo be shada ka bibia to nipa ne so keke na wo de ko se fa ne bra no eno de ya na emu eden aloya fo be bria me ne o madi nkomo ne kire se emu eden wo be bra ba wo nya convict no se bia oni ho kura no a what trying in absentia said ye said nam de ye na ne court abua no a America ban ne hu se court abua no wo Ghana hwehwe Ghana mramu nyina abua no de a eya no mutu ana montem pia nipa no de ne ba. And so if the Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Dominic Ayine, only with Deputy Sremsrai, mujidi samu evidence against Kono Furiata, said Yamu Kanu Anu Adene Yina, proceed with the prosecution. Try him in absentia. Ghana for when you comedies, said the name the end who here, but comedies. What Ghanaians are waiting for is the big fish. You feel say billions upon billions upon billions. Muamaka say onunti ama omai yashida akwa him. We need him. Samu is serious. Secure conviction. Try him in absentia. Now you would the echo. Because say akwai say eya na daddy ene eguso and we are in the process and we are say we know politicians. Some mu fin some ye no normal eyi na enya. Look at America. Adia Medetu was following her conviction. She say they had evidence to the fact that Ghana mra boni pa no. Nti ye ja no a ade na ba enya den. So what are we waiting for? It's been almost 2 years. You're serious because we need Sikanos and passes the Sika Koedia, then we need the money back. So Muntimi Niskanos free the wa. Try him in absentia, get the sentencing or whatever it is. Now use were not as a basis to the US to extradite him. And no. Ya bre and ye train this anoman. It's too much. That's my take on it. But to the NDC, ensure that Sedina Tamakloe serves her full 10-year sentence. Any attempt to alter that particular thing, no, to alter that justice I have served on behalf of Maslock, no, we will rise against it. We will rise against this. We are tired with the politics echoes Ukrumwa. And yet too much. And the covering is too much. Ebusia, neighbor.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5